Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain Japan in September. September in Japan marks a fascinating transition from the lingering heat of summer into the gentle embrace of autumn. While the month can still bring warm temperatures and the occasional typhoon, it also ushers in a period of vibrant cultural events and beautiful natural changes. It's a time when the country begins to prepare for its stunning fall foliage season. Expect warm weather across much of Japan during September, with average temperatures typically ranging from 70 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Humidity levels remain quite high, particularly during the first 2 weeks of the month. This period is also part of the active typhoon season, meaning you should anticipate significant rainfall and potential disruptions, especially in coastal areas. September is a wonderful time to experience Japan's rich cultural heritage. Numerous festivals, known as matsuri, celebrate the autumn harvest and local traditions. As the intense summer heat gradually subsides, outdoor activities like hiking and exploring gardens become more comfortable. You can also find many opportunities to enjoy traditional arts, music, and other cultural performances throughout the country. When packing for Japan in September, prioritize light, breathable clothing suitable for warm and humid conditions. Always include reliable rain gear, such as a waterproof jacket and umbrella, due to the possibility of sudden downpours or typhoons. It is crucial to monitor local weather forecasts closely for any typhoon warnings or advisories. Staying informed will help you adjust your travel plans as needed for safety and convenience. And don't forget to check the description below for a link to these fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.